What's disgusting?
Racist statues.
What's outrageous?
Racist values.
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 What do we want?
Justice!
When do we want it?
Now.
What do we want?
Justice.
When do we want it?
Now.
If we don't get it,
Shut it down.
we don't get it.
Shut it down.
We don't get it.
Shut it down.
No justice!
No peace.
No
racist police.
No
justice, no peace. No racist police. No justice, no peace. No racist police. No justice, no peace. No racist police.
No
Justice, no peace. No racist police.
We are here today because we have been lied to.
Amen. Come on. Come on. Woo!
We are here today because we were told that we would be included in the relocation process,
Yes.
that our voices would matter, that the university administration would be transparent and honest with us. But they weren't.
Right.
We are here today because in a time where people across our country are screaming that Black Lives Matter, Chancellor Boyce has shown us that he doesn't give a damn about our voice.
That's right.
What is happening right now isn't new. For years, we have been ignored, overlooked, and silenced by our university administration.
Yep.
But today, we will not be silenced.
That's right.
Today,
That's right.
they will not ignore us.
That's right. Yeah.
In proposing to build $1 million shrine to white supremacy in this very spot, Chancellor Boyce has blatantly disregarded the lives of Black students,
That's right.
Black faculty,
That's right.
Black staff,
That's right.
and Black alumni.
That's right.
If Boyce truly cared about us,
He doesn't. He doesn't.
he would respect the counsel of our historians who have spoken candidly against the university's proposed renovation plan
That's right.
to build this shrine
Amen.
to white supremacy.
You
That's
better
right.
say that.
Come on. Come on.
He would admit, unequivocally, that the university's proposed renovation plan is just another instance of its long history of lying about the Civil War.
Come on. Come on.
He would say truthfully that the university's proposed renovation plan aims to erect another monument to white supremacy
That's right.
on the campus among the many others that already are here.
That's right.
See, the university attracts white supremacists because these monuments serve as rallying points for those who believe in the ideology
That's right.
of white supremacy.
That's right.
White supremacists come here Because people like Boyce choose to place the names of Confederate generals and white supremacists on our buildings.
That's right.
Put up Tiffany stained glass windows dedicated to the lost cause.
That's right.
And allow the Confederate statue to stand tall at the heart of our campus.
That's right.
White supremacists come here because people like Boyce choose to sell the history of the Civil War to the highest bidder.
Yeah. That's right. That's right. Say his name.
White supremacists come here because people like Boyce choose to glorify the Confederacy through lavish decorations instead of engaging in the more difficult task of accurately contextualizing Civil War history.
That's right. That's right.
See, white supremacists come here, right here, because people like Chancellor Boyce choose to erect and protect racist monuments instead of protecting and supporting students, faculty, and staff.
Yes.
But maybe Boyce does care about black people.
I doubt it. I doubt it. No, he don't. He don't. He ain't real. Come on. Come on. I don't think so.
Maybe he understands that the Confederate statue was strategically placed on the circle to show us what society was. To show us what our university values were back in 1906. But maybe he wants to release the university from the stranglehold that the ideology of white supremacy has had on our campus since its very founding. But his current actions and his proposed renovation plan says otherwise. So, Chancellor Boyce, prove me wrong. Prove us all wrong. Show us that you care about us by abandoning the current renovation plan for the Confederate cemetery, since it is historically inaccurate, fiscally irresponsible, and morally bankrupt. Show us that you care about us by disbanding the current working group for the Cemetery Headstone Project, since the university's own Center for Civil War Research said the project will glorify racist lost cause mythology rather than telling the story of the Civil War at the University of Mississippi.
Say it louder for the people in the back.
Come on. Come on.
Show us that you care by convening a committee of students, historians, faculty, and staff to construct a new relocation plan that is historically accurate and educationally appropriate. Show us that you care by saying no to the highest bidder and saying yes to cultivating a campus environment that is in accord with the duties of the UM Creed and welcomes all people. Show us. 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 Show us.
Show us. Show us.
Show us. Show us. Show us. Show us. Show us. Show us. Show us. Show us. Show us. Show us. Show us. Show us. Show us. Show us. Show us. Show us. Show us. Show us. Show us. Show us. Show us. Show us. Show us. Show us. Show us. Show us. Show us. Show us.